Imagine you have created all your files and you're ready to get it on your website. You ask around and people tell you, hey, you need to upload your files to your website and you'll be done. That's it. It's the missing link and set up your website. But at that point in mind, you're stumped and you're confused. You don't know where to start because you can't find video tutorials that go from A to Z. You have a lot of unanswered questions about how to go from setting up your domain, setting up your website, and then of course uploading your files to your website. Too many courses presume that you already know FTP, which is file transfer and website maintenance basics, transferring files from your PC to your website. That's what FTP is. This is usually your missing link to creating and maintaining your website. Because you create your files, then what? You've got to upload it to your website. So it's the missing link. But you're not alone. I'm here to tell you that setting up your website and transferring files is actually very easy. There's a slight, tiny learning curve, just as anything else, but it's very, very easy if you know how to do it. Now, imagine this. You've set up your website, you've uploaded your files, and you're done. Wouldn't that be nice? In just a few moments, I want to introduce you to a step-by-step training course that will show you that FTP, or transferring files, really isn't too technical and that any newbie can do this. If you don't know anything about FTP, great. Introducing FTP Warm-Up. It's an 11-part video course. It shows you how to quickly and easily set up your website, transfer files, and maintain your website without the worries of being a technical savvy person. So basically you can look over my shoulder and I literally take you by the hand and all you have to do is watch the videos. If you can watch the videos and replicate exactly what I do on the videos, you'll be able to conquer and master FTP. Now here's a quick list of the 11-part video series in more detail. You can, if you want more detail, look below at the sales letter and there's a lot more detail there. But video number 1 is warming up to FTP. I talk about what FTP is, how it works, so you can get an idea of what to expect. Video number 2, I talk about what you need to have beforehand. Basically, what kind of tools do you need? What do you need to get set up? We're going to stick with a lot of free tools, so besides the domain name and the web hosting, you don't have to invest any more money. Video number 3, we talk about getting your website set up for file transfer. Basically, taking the tools and things from video number 2 and then actually implementing them. They're very, very easy to do. Video number 4, we're going to talk about accessing your login information. Obviously, before you connect to FTP, you need to have your login information. Video number 5, we're going to talk about saving and organizing information, the account information in FileZilla. One mistake that I made in the past was I had, 10s, 20, 30 different domains running and I would forget the passwords. So I'm going to show you different ways to, organize your account information so that you can all have it in one place and it's easy to access. You don't have to remember passwords and so forth. Video number 6, we're going to talk about connecting to your FTP account, how to go about doing that, some features about FileZilla that will make your life a lot easier. Video number 7, we'll talk about where do you upload to? What kind of folder do you upload to? Once you get into the FTP account, then what? Video number 8, we talk about uploading to the FileZilla Manager. And we also talk about how to use it and things like that. Video number 9, we're going to talk about how to delete, how to copy, how to move, how to create a folder, how to do this and that. Basic maintenance within the FTP account. And of course, video number 10, we're pretty much done. So we're going to talk about Live Website Rules 101. One thing I found is a lot of people have a lot of questions about, how do I make my web pages show up after I've uploaded the files and this and that. So I go over one technique that you need to, or one thing that you need to definitely make sure that you're set up to do. And video number 11, of course, the last video, it's about transferring files without a FileZilla FTP software. So let's say, for example, you're traveling and you don't have access to your computer, but you do have the files on hand, or you do have Microsoft Office and you need to upload files to the site, but you don't have FileZilla. I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to zip files, unzip files, and do a lot more. And just to give you an extra option, just in case you want to go that route. If you want more information, feel free to read the sales letter below and grab this video series now, and then learn how to transfer your files to your website quickly and easily.